In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome. In this video, we will explain how to split an NDC order in Amadeus. But first, why do we need to split an order? Sometimes you have a booking with multiple passengers, but only one person needs to change their plans. In this scenario, you cannot modify the booking immediately. You must first split the order to separate that specific passenger from the rest of the group. Once the split is complete, you can service that passenger individually without affecting the others. The key takeaway is simple. If only one traveler requires a change in a multi-passenger booking, split the order first, then proceed with the servicing. You can retrieve a booking file or PNR using either the traditional cryptic mode or graphical mode. However, the amendment itself must be performed in the Graphical User Interface, GUI. Once the booking file opens in graphical mode, you will see the NDC tag and the booking details. This includes the reservation number, the NDC order ID, the Amadeus record locator, and the airline record locators. In this example, the passenger and contact sections show 2 adults and 3 contact entries. Expand these sections to view the details. We can see Passenger 1, Mrs. Layla Alansari, and Passenger 2, Miss Reem Alansari, both associated with this NDC order. To separate Miss Reem Alansari from the original booking file, select Passenger 2 and click the Split Booking File Hyperlink. A Split NDC order form will pop up, displaying the Amadeus PNR, the NDC order ID, and the number of passengers. Select the passenger you wish to move from the existing order and click the Split NDC Order button to proceed. A confirmation window will appear stating Split Completed, and you will be prompted to select a PNR to display. Click the Continue button. The booking file will open in graphical mode. Here, you can see the NDC tag and the booking file details. You will find the reservation number, the NDC order ID, the Amadeus record locator, and the airline record locators. From here, you can perform any required actions for this passenger. To view the details of the original booking, simply click on the Parent PNR Reference Hyperlink. This will open the parent booking file, where you can verify the remaining reservation details and record locators. From here, you can perform any required actions for this passenger. In our next video, we will show you how to pay and issue an NDC order in Amadeus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.